Guten Tag, liebe Schüler und Schülerinnen. Heute lernen wir das Demonstrativpronomen das. Today we are going to learn the demonstrative pronoun das. You might ask, well, I thought we already learned das. I thought das meant the. I thought it was a neutral article. Well, you're correct if you're thinking that, but das also means something else. Das also means this, that, these, and those. So das can be used to point something out. So if you wanted to say, what is this? You would use the word das for this. Or that, what is that? You would use the same word. And if you wanted to point at several things at the same time, you want to say, these are my books, then you would also use the word das. Now let's take a look how we use them. If we're pointing at one thing, just in the singular, then we would say, das ist ein Buch. This is a book. However, if we were looking at several items, we're pointing at several items and pointing them out, then we would not say das ist, but rather we would say das sind. Das sind zwei Bücher. Remember that when we learned how to say he is 11, we learned to say ist 11. Okay, and this is your plural form here. So now let's take a look at questions. How would you then ask, what is this? Think a minute, can you do it? Well, if you said was ist das, then you were entirely correct. Remember, this is our word for what, and we turn the das ist in the question around. So it is was ist das. And that's all for today. Tschüss, bis bald.